Ngayong buwan ng Pebrero, hindi lang araw ng mga puso o Valentine's Day ang ating ipinagdiriwang. Ito din ang buwan kung saan ipinagdiriwang ang buwan ng sining ng mga Pinoy. Narito ang ulat mula kay Emil Carion.
Ito ang sasalubong sa mga bisita ng Philippine High School for the Arts sa Makiling, Laguna. Isang sayaw ng pagdiriwang, kasabay nito ang pagpupugay sa likha ng mga kabataan at maging ng mga profesional na artista. Dahil sa lubos na malikhain o creative ang Pinoy, dedicated sa Arts Month o sining ang Pebrero. Isang banyagang artista ang pumuri sa Pinoy bilang isang artista.
At the Philippine High School for the Arts, and most of my work is in installation and performance art, and so I'm going to be giving a workshop over the next few days on installation and performance art. Well, the main contact that I have with contemporary art and performance art in the Philippines up to now is the work of Dr. Vim Nadera, and I've only been here for a few days, and I've seen the students at the school, and I'm looking forward to the performances that they present this afternoon. The Philippines is very different than any country that I've visited as an artist up to now, and it's very, very different from the United States, where I'm originally from.
Ang Philippine High School for the Arts ay tahanan ng mga sumisibol na alagad ng sining. Isang potensyal na kinakalinga ng direktor nito na si Dr. Vim Nadera. Potensyal ng mga estudyante na lalong pinapausbong ng iba't ibang manifestasyon ng paggawa.
Continue making art and take advantage of every opportunity that you have to share your art with the world. Well, at least from what I've heard about alumni of the Philippine High School for the Arts, a lot of world-class artists have been produced by the school here. I know that in the United States and in Germany, funding and support for the arts has been decreasing over the last decade, and so I think it's very important that any country or any country that dedicates a month to the arts is doing a very important mission.
Kilala ang Pebrero bilang buwan ng mga puso, pero di ba't ang puso ay siyang naglalapat ng sining sa isang tao? Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, ako si Emil Carion.